Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into 3 powerful approaches to get your children to actually listen using empowerment, child-centered, and strength-focused approach. So let's jump right into it. First up, the empowerment approach. Empowering your child means giving them a sense of control and responsibility by involving them in decision making. For example, when planning a family activity, ask them for their input to make them feel valued. You could also set clear expectations. For example, explain what do you expect in a calm and respectful manner. Use "I need you" statement and praise their efforts by acknowledging their accomplishment as well as the improvement. An example is, "You did a great job cleaning up." Empowerment encourages kids to take ownership of their actions, and they are more likely to listen and cooperate. Next, the child-centered approach, which focuses on understanding your child's needs and their feelings by practicing active listening. For example, get on their level, maintain eye contact, and listen without interrupting. This shows you value their thoughts. Number 2 is respect. Respect their feelings. For example, validate their emotions by maybe saying, "I understand you're upset because of this." 3, provide choices. This can be done by giving them options, such as, "Do you want to do your homework before or after dinner?" When children feel understood and respected, they are more willing to listen and engage positively. Lastly, strength-focused approach, which emphasizes on identifying and cultivating your child's strengths by doing the following. 1, recognize their strength. For example, notice what they are really good at and say, "You are really great at solving puzzles." 2, by encouraging their interests. For example, support hobbies and passions, enrolling them in classes or activities they love. 3, set positive, achievable goals. Help them set realistic goals based on their strengths and celebrate milestones together. Focusing on strengths builds confidence and motivates children to listen and apply their ability constructively. So, there you have it. 3 effective strategies to get your children to listen by empowering them, focusing on their needs, and building their strength. Comment below, which approach will you try first? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button for more parenting tips and tricks. See you next time.